Subaru key? Nope. Mazda key? Nope. Lexus key? Nope. Koopa key. He's watching Bugs Life.
I don't know what to say.
What is up, guys? It's Speedy Scoop here, bringing you another video. Today's video is going to be brought to you by I think we're on part 4 by now. Don't quote me. We might be.
Part 6.
My son said part 6. We should be on part 6 by now, but I've been being lazy. With that being said, we are going to be messing with this Butte. Obviously, you know, I take my time with her. I need to get her where it needs to be, but we are going to start this baby up in this video. I got a brand new battery right here. I'm gonna check all her fluids, make sure everything is a-okay to give it you know, pretty much a fresh start, because I haven't started this baby in a long time, a couple months. So start her up, hear some pops and bangs, and just, you know, enjoy that and shit. So the fun we're gonna have today is when the battery is dead, it locks up shit. So I'm going to have to crawl through all this fancy, all this fun stuff. And the battery is under here. Yes, all the stuff drops on top of where the fucking battery is. We're gonna have some good times because we're gonna get this battery out, put the new one to start this baby up. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna pause the music, and I'm just jamming a little bit. Anyways, I got a little bit to do. As you guys can see, I got 2 extra bags just so I can throw some extra shit in here. And the next time you see this, I should have everything in little baggies just so I can have a clean trunk, and then I can start. As you can see, I cleared out everything. She's still a little dirty over there, but she's all cleared out. I put everything in a nice little organized manner. I'm going to lift that little cloth type carpet off, then I can put the battery in, and once I put the battery in, I should be able to start her right up. Let me check the fluids, actually, I forgot. Now that I have the other battery in, I can't wait to paint all that, but I have the other battery in, the trunk open, I'm going to pretty much start her up and see how she does. As you can see, she has no check engine lights like always. She's nice. It still reads 122 degrees. Alright, let it rip. You guys probably think that she didn't run, you know, but she does. She be chilling on some vibe mode. Just my project bitch. She's never really let me down. So, got all the plastics here from the old one. Going to obviously put that back under just so it can be nice and tough, other than like that. Vacuum, take all the rest out. I'm gonna wipe down the whole interior, make sure everything looks A1, brand new in this interior, then close it up and move on to the outside. Wax her up real good at the top. Bro's gonna look out, and yeah, I gotta jack her up so I can take her off that tire and put her on all fours again better, and let's see where we get to. As you can see, the chairs are stupid dirty, nasty. Look at that. Ooh, everywhere. Ooh, I gotta put that door panel back. Don't worry, don't judge me. It's all nasty, nasty. So, going to clean her up. Rear all vacuumed, looking good. Don't mess with the CD player. As you guys can see, trash. Yep, we just gotta do this and be good. Now, still needs to be replaced, but it looks a lot better now. So push that in better. And then I just gotta move on to this. Whoop, hit the thing. Now move on to this side, take that out, and then the car should be pretty much done. And then just gotta do the outside. As you can see, it's looking really good on both sides. Oh, oof, looking minty as hell. So with that being said, gonna move on to the outside. Looking good after a nice wax and pretty much a buff and wax, and all that fanciness should bring her back to life. And a bunch of other stuff I need to do, finish taking off all the stickers and continue the build, and hopefully, you know, I can show her more attention, and should be done by at least January-ish.
11 o'clock.
It was a super short video, but it was just straight to the point, trying to clean her up a little bit since she's been sitting back here for a little bit, couple months and stuff. So just show her a little bit of love. I'm going to get back into it, get a lot done so she can be done early next year, and just have her whipping all the shows next year for 2021. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in.